I'm standing on the start line of the Shanghai Marathon 2026 over there. Shanghai skyline. One mission today. Can I run sub 2:51-ish to try and qualify for New York? That's the mission. Mary's on a separate mission. Let's go. Decent mat here. All right, we're off there. I'm gonna have to do as little weaving as possible because it's quite crowded. I got put in B corral, so yeah, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of weaving at first. Oops. So the plan's pretty simple today. It is to try and get to around 250-ish because last year the cut-off for New York Marathon was 3:05, but the cut down was about 14 minutes, so you want to run nearer to 2:51 really if you want to stand a chance of automatic qualification. So that's what I'm going for, because we think Mary already has it and I only have a 2:57 from Berlin, so I'm right on the line. Okay, so far a little inconsistent. I mean, 4:30 first kilometre, that was a 3:57 there. That's just the crowd. I'm trying to find my rhythm, stay within zone 2, which is just manageable. Just at the top end of zone 2, spike over it when I talk, but a lovely day for it. First gel in on 25 minutes, so I'm going to try and do a gel every 25 and rotate between Morton, Bix and Cis, which is 40 grams and 25. I've done a 2-day carb load as well, so had a substantial amount of carbs in the last 2 days. So heart rate's playing ball at the moment, just kind of hovering around, as I say, top of zone 2, and we're 7k in. I should probably mention it was like 5k in 21 minutes, but now I'm at 8k now, 33. That was 10k in around 41 minutes on my watch, officially on the course over, so yeah, at 41. But you know, heart rate generally is working, just unless I talk to camera. But I'm still gonna do it, guys, but I'm still gonna do it, don't worry. This is the sub 3 hour group from the corral ahead of me. Blimey, I know it's hard carrying a GoPro and talking to camera, but this dude's over here holding up a sign the whole way in the air, which fair play to him. But we've just gone through 14, yeah, about 57 minutes, which would put me on like a 2:51, somewhere like that. Still in the game at 19k, 4-minute kilometers, heart rate is light, just at the top of zone 2, so Heart's playing ball. It's just whether the legs do now. You just got to hope that there's enough endurance in there. But I feel all right so far. That's halfway, 1:25:30. So yeah, pretty much bang on. Feel all right as well. All right, 1 hour 40 in. We're going with the caffeine now, the rocket fuel. So just about 25 kilometers. I'm on target, but I do feel tired in the legs. Like the heart rate, fine. But we keep going. So the support is a lot quieter. Yeah, it's still good. Still out there. Little climb now. Right, now that was through 30k in 2 hours 1 minute. So at this pace, we're looking at about bang on 250. But everybody knows this is where the marathon starts. See, it is literally just starting now. I just went through 32k in, oh, I've got to get a drink. Hold up. So hard to drink. So 32k in 2:01. So if I run a 40-minute 10k plus then the 200 meters, we're about right. I feel good. Now I'm gonna distract myself by trying to find Mary over there. Should be in the next 5-10 minutes. Mary, I love you. Just as we ran past Imagine Dragons as well. One of our favourite bands. That's amazing. K 121. I'm in 221. I'm in the Hurt Locker now, but there's so much riding on this race for next year. No let up. That's the aim. Just grind, bury myself, get to the end. I feel okay, like generally, but yeah, it is hurting. Just a park run to go. That's it, 5k. My official time, 2:30, so maybe around 2:51. We will take that all day long. Less than 4k left, holding on. Left hamstring feels tight, but it's all right. I mean, I'm not going to tempt fate. Um, 2:46. So if I push, could get in the 40s. It's going to be tough though. I'm right on my limit. Just going to be outside the water. 250. Oh yeah. 250. Ah! 250, 16 seconds. Boom! Come on now. 16 seconds off what I predicted. I said 250, 250 and 16 seconds. Oh yes, even. That was so even. I'm buzzing. That was the way I wanted to execute a race. I knew that was where I was at fitness wise, and it all came together. So I hope the same can be said of Mary. I'm buzzing.
This result should see me qualify for the New York City Marathon in 2026, but there are still no guarantees. We'll find out in a few months, but the plan's now set. 6 big marathons in 2026 and 6 individual goals. Tokyo, that's my 6th start, and a possible PB attempt of sub 2:44. Manchester, I'm on pacing duties for a friend. The week after in London, that's Mary's 6th star. Sydney's our 7th star, and I've got to continue my streak of running sub 3 at all majors. Chicago is roll the dice time, aiming for sub 2:40. And New York City, that's simple. Project Find Casey Neistat, my hero. So 6 marathons, 6 projects, 1 journey. 2026 is going to be wild, so make sure you're with us all the way.